Did you brag about how much spice we have stored in this village, Elhinde? Did you tell these merchants how much water we have in our system?
Okay. Okay, and then he'll kick back with the Warriors and Panthers at the matinee session at 5:30 and bring it home tonight. He'll bring it all home tonight with the heels through the roof. Still need to go around. The one who made the struggle to make the gate. And the Raiders be night tomorrow.
You know, I'm trying to Google one nice and quick. Like, I think it wants us to check it. The fuck, bro? Like, I think it wants us to check it. The fuck, bro?
Fuck yourself.
Yes, sir.
$93, save $300, plus bonus $150 gift card. Or get the Oppo A54 5G 64 gig for just $278, save $70. More deals on now at Harvey Norman.
Don't give a fucking
Take this out of this one-day only deal. Gearing.
fucking idiot.
Spend a set down to a cracking $99. What's $290?
Whoa! What the fuck?
没有摄像头了。
Fuck you! Fucking hell! The fuck was that? What the fuck is that? Oh no! Oh no! Fuck! Fuck, that is one fucked up bike.
this idiot. What a fucking joker.
Fucking just pull across, you prick. Fuck. No fucking indicators, nothing. Oh, you fucking retard. That red one. Oh. Bastard. Jesus. Oh, it just pisses me off.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
He's becoming quite upset with me, since he realized doing it by the book actually gives me all of the leverage. From that point forward, I had begun putting my logo watermark on every single thing I sent him. The first time he experienced this was with show tickets. He asked me to remove the watermark. He had quick access to 4 research universities, but he got downsized due to lower admission rates. He is now the dean of the physics department at his former school. To quit any job, no matter how bad, was not smart, and a guarantee that you would not find a new one. I always worked customer service, food service, and hospitality since I was 14. At 24, I decided it was time to find a job with benefits and potential for career advancement. So I took a job stocking shelves overnight with a global monstrosity that started out as a mom-and-pop store. I felt right at home. I worked hard and constantly took the worst jobs and the worst days off to make sure I would be there on the weakest staffing days to rub elbows with management. If there was anything that occasionally came up that no one on the shift was trained to do, I would come in on my day off, without pay, to get trained how to do the task, like keys, paint, accounting issues, etc., to become less disposable and more versatile. It worked, and 10 months in, I found myself with an offer to promote to low-level management starting January 1st. Starting the weekend before Thanksgiving, the overnight manager started to understaff shifts to preserve his end-of-year bonus and acted surprised when people called out. He would then bully us into staying over with threats of write-ups for not finishing our assigned stocking tasks.
You stupid idiot!